take 60% sand and 40% cement. Now mix it well. You can take crushed stone powder instead of sand. The crushed stone powder helps to make stronger pot than sand. Add some water to make a good cement paste. Apply oil on the outer sides of the smaller plastic pot. And apply oil also in inner sides of the larger plastic pot. You can use any type of oil like cooking oil, hair oil, Vaseline, etc. You can take any size of 2 plastic pots. One pot should be larger and another must be a little bit smaller. The spaces between the sides must be 1.5 inch. Now add cement paste inside the large pot. Place a smaller pot in the center of the larger pot. Now keep pressing the smaller pot into cement paste and try to place in the center and perfect level. Now place the pots in full sun until it becomes dry. In summer it will dry in 5 hours. But if you are making pot in winter you have to wait for 24 hours. Now the pots are completely dry. You can shower warm boiled water on the pot bottom to separate plastic pot from cement. Now place the pots in water for 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, make a drainage hole by using a drill machine.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tension Free World.